Let's begin with the protest by the Social Democratic Party SDP over the use of the presidential aircraft for the promotion of the All Progressives Congress presidential candidate. The Director General of the PrinceAdewoleAdebayo campaign organization, Solomon Dalong, says the practice negates the promise of free, fair and credible elections as promised by President Muhammadu Buhari. Dalong, who was Minister of Sports under Buhari during the first term, said the practice gives the All Progressives Congress a lot of advantage over other candidates.
Use of government assets to patronize and promote a candidate by the party in government is indeed an abuse of power and an attempt to instigate and trigger discontent among competing candidates. I'm yet to be convinced as the rationale behind the deployment of state assets like aircraft and even other paraphernalia of power to promote the candidate of the APC. If such assets are available to presidential candidates, then it should be accorded to all. The use of government aircraft for campaign and conveying the presidential candidate of APC and his team should be extended to every political party. If the president has decided to concede his jet to the APC presidential candidate, he must also concede it to the Social Democratic Party for use. That is only when you can say that there is fairness and you will expect the election to be free and fair.
Solomon Dalong